punched him in an unprovoked attack in Massapequa.
Long Island reporter Kristen Thorne is there tonight with our lead story. Kristen.
Well, Bill and Liz, what the man says happened leading up to this entire thing was he says he was driving right here and he came to this stop sign and his tires came to a screeching halt. His neighbor, an off-duty officer, was standing right about here. So he says he pulled down here into his driveway. No sooner, he says, did he open up his car door, he was being punched in the face.
I had sunglasses on. He punched me in the face and it cut my cheek open and punched me in the lip. That might have healed already. And punched me in the face. Threw me up against my car.
Chris Gabriel says the fight continued up his driveway. These dents in his garage, he says, are from where his neighbor, William Joy, an off-duty Nassau County police officer, threw him. Gabriel says he called the police, and when officers showed up...
The first officer that showed up got out of the car and said, "Hey, Bill, how are you?" And, pulled him over to the side and started talking to him. They didn't take a report, nothing. They wouldn't even write anything down for me.
Gabriel says he went to the district attorney's office and filed a complaint. The DA's office confirms they are investigating the case with the Internal Affairs Unit of the Nassau County Police Department. We tried to speak with Joy today at his home, but no one answered. A spokesman for the Nassau Police says they're investigating, but refused to comment.
The police are here to protect us and to serve us, not to come and think that because they have a badge that they have some extra authority that they can come and do something like this to a person. It's just not right.
And Chris Gabriel had to go to Nassau Police Headquarters today to identify the pictures of the other officers who responded to this incident because they didn't take a report. There were no names listed. He has hired an attorney. That attorney says he plans to file a civil rights lawsuit in the next day or two. We're live in Massapequa, Long Island. Kristen Thorne, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.